CertiK is excited to announce the release of Security Leaderboard 360. The Security Leaderboard is an integrated, end-to-end security solution for the Web3 community and investors. Our new and improved Skynet modules give the community and investors a 360 view of project insights that are important to them. Understanding a project's community development is an important component of due diligence. We developed our social analysis and token on-chain monitoring modules to provide insights into how other market participants feel and interact with a Web3 project. The social analysis module gives you an overview of the social sentiment surrounding a project and its price. Real-time data social media sources are used to create tools and data visualizations that help you gauge the social and price sentiment surrounding a Web3 project. The Token On-Chain Monitoring and Intelligence module helps you evaluate the community sentiment of a project through token ownership data, wallet analysis, on-chain analytics, and smart money tracking. To learn more about our Security Leaderboard 360, visit CertiK.com/resources.